welcome to another Fuel-Proof tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about what a contact is in the system, how to add new contacts, and how to manage existing contacts. In Fuel-Proof, a contact is simply defined as anybody that is associated with a facility that has equipment that needs to be inspected. In order to add a new contact to the system, we just come over here and we click on Add. We give it a first and last name, an email, and a phone number. And we can also add an alternate phone number for the contact. So we'll click on Add Contact, and now that contact has been added to the system. If I come back over to Contacts and I click on Manage Contacts, I should be able to see that contact's information here on this screen. If I'd like to edit that contact's details, I simply click on Edit, change whatever I'd like, and click on Save. Now that contact has been updated in the system. If I'd like to remove that contact, I simply click on Delete, and that will allow me to delete the contact from the system. This has been another tutorial by Fuel-Proof. Thank you so very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.